Carbon monoxide versus carbon dioxide. Have you ever wondered about the differences between carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide? These two gases are often confused, but they have very different properties and effects on health. Understanding these differences is especially important for emergency preparedness and safety during events like hurricanes. First, let's look at the basic chemical differences. Carbon monoxide consists of one carbon atom bonded to one oxygen atom, giving it the formula CO. On the other hand, carbon dioxide has one carbon atom bonded to two oxygen atoms, which results in the formula CO2. This difference in structure leads to distinct characteristics for each gas. Next, consider where these gases come from. Carbon monoxide is produced when fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, oil, or wood burn incompletely. This often happens when there is not enough oxygen available. In contrast, carbon dioxide is generated from the complete combustion of carbon-containing fuels and is also a natural gas that plants need for photosynthesis. Both gases are colorless, odorless, and tasteless, making them hard to detect without special equipment. However, carbon monoxide is flammable and can ignite in the presence of a flame, while carbon dioxide is non-flammable and can even put out fires. When it comes to health risks, carbon monoxide is highly toxic. It binds to hemoglobin in the blood more effectively than oxygen does. This can prevent oxygen from reaching vital organs and tissues, leading to symptoms like headache, dizziness, and confusion. In severe cases, carbon monoxide poisoning can be fatal without immediate treatment. Carbon dioxide, while not toxic at normal levels, can be dangerous in high concentrations. It can displace oxygen in the air, leading to suffocation or respiratory distress, a condition sometimes referred to as carbon dioxide poisoning or hypercapnia. In emergency situations, especially during hurricanes, the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning increases. This is particularly true if you use generators or fuel-burning devices indoors or in poorly ventilated spaces. To stay safe, make sure to install carbon monoxide detectors in your home. These devices can alert you to dangerous levels of carbon monoxide before it becomes a serious issue. Always remember to never use fuel-burning appliances indoors without proper ventilation. If you start to feel symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, evacuate to fresh air immediately. Also, be aware that carbon dioxide can build up in confined spaces, so ensure proper ventilation in any area where combustion occurs. In survival situations, keeping air quality in mind is essential. Avoid exposure to combustion gases to prevent life-threatening conditions. Understanding the differences between carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide can help you prepare and protect yourself and your loved ones during emergencies, especially during severe weather events like hurricanes.